Hello everyone, C5 Scott here. Today I got something really cool. We're going to be changing out the shifter knob on my C5. So I got this new shifter knob from twistedshifters.com. It's a really cool website. We're going to go out, we're going to do an unboxing, and then I'm going to show you how I put it on. So let's get out to the garage and get started. So here's the box. The shifter knob I got actually came from a place called Twisted Shifters. I don't know if anybody's ever seen that or not, but a place called Twisted Shifters. So we're going to open this box and actually see what this looks like. Alright, looks like the invoice. Little card for more cool stuff. Looks like they got clocks and signage and stuff. That's pretty cool. Oh yeah, I'm gonna sticker. I'll be sure to put that on my toolbox. That's pretty cool. Here we go. Let's see here. Here's up in the middle right here. Actually got a right here. All right, well, it was packaged nice. They had it all wrapped up in bubble wrap, or the foam, and then in the box, nice and clean. And then they've also got it all nice and clean here, all taken care of. This looks good. So here's the knob. Obviously, my car is yellow, so I decided to get a yellow shifter knob. Wow, it looks pretty good. I mean, it's got the nice insert. It's all nice and clean on the bottom. It's not all pooching out, sticking out. That looks good. Everything's nice and shiny. Got the correct shift pattern. Of course, I always questioned that I get the right shift pattern, but yeah, up and right, or reverse. Now let's just see what this little guy is here. Oh, okay, retainer nut. So if you go down so far, that way it doesn't turn around on you. So you run the retainer nut down, obviously, and then the shifter knob sits on top of it, so you tighten it down to the retainer nut. That's cool. I was wondering if I was going to have to get one of these or not. Have to go find something at Lowe's or one of the stores, but that actually comes with it. That's very cool. Very nice. Great looking shifter knob. I like it. But anyway, that's that. So I'm going to go stick it on, and we'll come back on the video and we'll show putting it on there. All right, so I'm in the car. I tried to kick this back a little bit so everybody could see pretty well. So from the way I understand this, you just pull the top out gently so you're not damaging anything. If I can get it to pop out, there we go. I try to do everything so gentle because I really don't want to damage anything. I do not like it when I tear stuff up. So pull the knob out, and then you've got this retainer pin in here that drops down, and the way you pull it is you just pull it with these two, a screwdriver on either side. Maybe I get some smaller ones. There we go. All right, after almost damaging my knob, I hate that. It's popped out now. There it goes. Wow, that is really tight. They did not want these moving. Oh, all right. All right, so there's the pin. Basically, that slides down in the notch for the retainer, and it keeps your shifter straight. So now you just unscrew it. All right. I think that's the slot that pin goes down in. So see if this fits. I ordered the one for threads from OEM. There we go. Yeah. Working that down. I'm gonna take the knob now and try to push it down on as far as I can. I really want it to go as far down as I can. Get it. Seems like as far as it's going to go there. I don't want to go too much because I don't want to strip anything, so I'm going to run the retainer back up. There we go. All right, that's tight there. Sweet. Like it. Like it. I can get you a better shot of it now. Yeah. Looks pretty good, I think. So that's installing the knob. Pretty quick. If you like what you saw, be sure to like and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.